Hey everybody, T.O. from Art Geek Teaching. Today I'm going to show you one thing that you can do with all those acrylic pours that you just don't like. Coming up. Okay, here we go. Well, this is going to be a really short, about a 5-minute little video. We're going to try to find some creatures in this painting rather than burn them. Don't burn them up. So here we go. We've got a scan that we've put in. This actually wasn't even a scan. I just took a picture on my iPhone of this painting that I just didn't like. And I found a little creature, a little person on this. And so I just outlined him in Photoshop. And looks like before I move on, there's one other one on that same orientation. This is another little guy. Flu's been going around. This guy might have a little hurl action going on, it looks like. So anyway, we'll trace him up. Give him a few little hairs. Can't remember what was on the other one. But this is Jojobi right there. And our other guy's name is Gigibi. So Jojobi and Gigibi. Now, what about this eye? What about that eye? Looks like there's a little face in there. We'll just kind of eke him out. He's got some cool looking hair. Bring him around, a little bit of snout kind of thing. And this is Riff. Riff the singing dragon. I think there's a few other things on the same orientation that Riff is on. I'm not sure what this is. Not real happy with him. He's some kind of face. I just kind of call him the faceless man. I do think there's an opportunity for a face in there. Alright, we orientated again, and now we're going to find another face in here. This is a chihuahua. It's a kind of a chihuahua looking thing. Bug eyes, there's a hat in there, so yeah, I like him. He might be able to be developed a little bit further. I'm putting an orientation of an arrow on there, just so I know which way I'm looking at this thing. Okay, so that is Micah. And Micah is the little chihuahua. Okay, so we rotated our canvas again 90 degrees. And we've got this sketchy looking creature here. Not sure what it's gonna be, but it's kind of a elephant looking thing that I think we could develop out. Yep. And his name is Falante. So these are all on the long play version, where I spend a little bit more time developing these, or at least going into how I came up with them. Alright, so we've got a little guy in here. He's got some nice smooth flowing hair in here. Not sure if it's a guy or if it's a kind of beast thing, but I named him Dom for Dominator. What else do we have on this same orientation before we orientate the page again? Oh yeah, this little creature up in the corner. Actually, I think I'm going to add a leg to him if I do paint him out. But yeah, he's not as large as he looks, and his name is Barmecidal. So Barmecidal is what his name was. And finally, we've got this little critter here. Same thing, smooth flowing hair. He kind of looks like he's always asking questions. Yeah, so his name is Inquirius. Oh no, there's one more. Yeah, there's one more little thing in here that I found. And this guy, he kind of looks like he's astonished to me. So astonish in Italian is stupore. So his name was Stupore. I was going to keep those on. I think what I'll do is just bring up a really quick picture of each one of them, and then we'll call it good.